To transfer crypto from Crypto.com to Robinhood, you need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have a Crypto.com and Robinhood account, and that both accounts are active and verified. Start by logging into your Crypto.com account and navigating to the Accounts page. Here, you will see a list of all your available cryptocurrencies. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and click on it. Next, click on the Withdraw button and select the network you want to use for the transfer. Be aware that different networks have different fees and transfer times, so choose the one that best suits your needs. After selecting the network, you will be prompted to enter the recipient's address. To find this address, log into your Robinhood account and navigate to the cryptocurrency section. Click on the Deposit button and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Robinhood will provide you with a unique deposit address. Copy this address and paste it into the recipient's address field on Crypto.com. Double-check that the address is correct, as incorrect addresses can result in lost funds. Once you have entered the recipient's address, you will be prompted to enter the amount you want to transfer. Make sure you have enough funds in your Crypto.com account to cover the transfer amount and any associated fees. After entering the amount, review the transfer details to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, confirm the transfer. The transfer may take some time to process, depending on the network you chose and the current blockchain congestion. It is essential to note that Robinhood has some restrictions on cryptocurrency deposits, so ensure you check their website for any specific requirements or limitations before initiating the transfer. Additionally, always prioritize the security of your accounts by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer your cryptocurrency from Crypto.com to Robinhood. Always be cautious when transferring cryptocurrencies and make sure you are using the correct addresses and following the recommended procedures to avoid any potential issues.